The novel coronavirus is a new virus that was first described in Wuhan, China in December 2019. It can infect all age groups, but mortality of COVID-19 is high in the elderly, age group more than 65 years of, and also young children. A good thing in pediatrics is that case fatality, severity of disease, is less as compared to adults. Most of the cases of COVID-19 in children are mild disease like other viral infections. But there is a high probability it can be fatal in children with underlying chronic diseases like heart disease, liver diseases, kidney diseases, malnutrition, and children with immune deficiency. There is no definite treatment of COVID-19 and vaccination against this deadly virus to date. At present, we can do some measures to reduce or prevent the risk of infection of this deadly virus. Here are a few precautions parents and children can take to avoid infection. 1. Wash hands frequently using soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or frequently use alcohol-based hand rub. Wash hands especially after coughing, sneezing, or touching objects like door handle, which are likely to be touched by others as well. 2. Educate your child to cover the mouth and nose with a tissue or flexed elbow while coughing and sneezing. Dispose the used tissue immediately and wash hands with soap and water, or use alcohol-based hand rub. Do not touch any objects or face after coughing or sneezing. 3. Clean the child's toys at least once a day. 4. Clean the floor and commonly touched objects at least once a day at home. 5. Don't allow your child to come in close contact with anyone who has a cold, fever, or flu-like symptoms. 6. Try to engage your child in indoor activities. Avoid outdoor activities as much possible, but one can allow activities in the house premises provided the number of children is not more than 4 to 5. 7. Children with fever, cough, and running nose should not be allowed to meet others, especially the elderly or grandparents. 8. Don't take children to crowded places. Keep them indoors as much as possible. 9. Don't forget to give a nutritious diet with plenty of water. Give citrus fruits, orange, lemon, grapefruit, and vegetables which are rich in vitamin C, vitamin D containing foods, cheese, egg yolks, and zinc containing foods, legumes, lentils, beans, and nuts. 10. Mother can continue breastfeeding if they develop COVID-19 disease, but the mother should take due precaution to prevent transmission, like use mask, washing hands before and after contact with the child. 11. Seek medical care early if your child has a fever, cough, or breathing difficulty. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.